Working with customers. Hello and welcome to Inslee Video Tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to work with Customers module. Customers are master records for all Inslee-related activities. Customers are related to offers, policies, invoices, payments, and tasks. The system is smart enough, and new customers are registered automatically when creating new offer or policy in most cases. However, there are situations when you may need to register a new potential customer manually. Let's take a look into this. First, let's start with Customers List Overview. To access customers' data, on the main menu tab, click on Customers and select Customers menu item. The working area of the customers will be opened, where you can find the filter section and the data displayed below the filter section. The Filters section contains summarized filters or extended filters. You can enter name, ID code, contact person, or other information you may know about the customer you are searching for. Then, on the top right corner, you will find some more additional options. The data itself is displayed just below the Filters section, and it is sorted by name or ID code. You may want to change the sorting order just by clicking the arrow on the highlighted column, and the data will be sorted accordingly. There are two ways to add a new customer. One is to use Quick Add shortcut just on the right side of the main menu tab. Or alternatively, you may want to use the Add Customer icon just on the right top corner of the list. When you click on Add New Customer option, the customer form is opened, and the fields which are mandatory to be filled out are marked with red asterisks. The other fields you can fill in with the information on creating customer, or you can choose to amend this information later on already saved customer. Once you are done with the required information, to add new customer, just simply click on the button. And the customer card is created, where you can review the details entered and modify the required information, and also perform the further actions as required. So, the basic information is displayed in the Overview tab, where you can find customer information and contact information. You can edit or even delete this information. Also, you will find customer address and profile on the one you selected. You may add the person's contacts or attach the contracts. Just on the right side of the Overview tab, you will find the customer balance, policies and tasks, and notes information, which are created and assigned to this particular customer. Also, some related insurance objects are connected to the customer as policies, insured objects, offers, issued invoices, and documents, and also customer relationship management tasks. So, all this information is connected to the particular customer, and you can review it here. So, now you have just learnt how to work with customers' details in Inslee, and it's very easy to do this within Inslee system. That's it for this time, and thanks for watching.